Today, I found an absolutely insane niche that's going totally viral on YouTube. Guess what? The creator has only around 80 videos and already gained 1.73 million subscribers. That's right, just 80 videos and over 1 million people following. And here's the craziest part. All the videos are shorts featuring the same animated character every single time. No fancy scenes, no complicated stories, just consistency, creativity, and pure strategy. The results? Mind-blowing views, millions of likes, and a fan base that keeps growing every single day. This proves one thing. If you hit the right niche and style, even simple content can explode on YouTube. I know a lot of people struggle to make this kind of animated content. It looks tough, right? But don't worry, that's exactly why I'm here for you, my friend. I'll show you how to create videos just like this, step by step, using free tools, AI animation, and smart editing tricks. Because trust me, once you learn the method, it's not about luck. It's about strategy. You don't need a big team, expensive software, or Hollywood-level skills. All you need is the right idea, a unique character, and a bit of guidance. So stay tuned. In my next videos, I'll break down how this creator went viral, which tools they used, and how you can do the same, even if you're just starting today. In every video, I usually talk a lot about ChatGPT, but in this one, I'm not focusing too much on it. This time, I'll just show a quick screenshot and mention it briefly, because the real goal here is to create this type of animated video with the same character style you've been seeing. I want to show you how we can make these kinds of animations easily, step by step. And yes, ChatGPT will still help you every single time. Whether it's writing your story, generating ideas, or creating dialogues, ChatGPT makes the process super simple. You just need the right prompts, and I'll show you exactly what to type to get amazing results. So don't worry if you're new to animation or storytelling, I'll walk you through everything. Together we'll create videos that look professional, tell beautiful stories, and have that same viral style. Now let's jump straight into the website, www.jxp.com. This is a brand new platform, and honestly, it's mind-blowing. I've been testing it for a while, and the results are absolutely amazing. This website has introduced a bunch of next-level AI tools and creative features that I've never seen together in one place before. You'll find things like Nano Banana, Veo 3, Veo 3.1, and many other powerful tools, all designed to make your work faster, smoother, and more creative than ever. Whether you're into AI video generation, animation, or content creation, this platform has something for everyone. The interface is super clean, the results are quick, and the quality, honestly, it's unbelievable. And the best part? It's beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a pro to start creating. All right, first of all, let's start with AI Image Seedream 4.0. Now, you might be wondering why I clicked on this one first. Well, the answer is simple, because the results are absolutely amazing. I just pasted my prompt, set, the quality to 4K, selected the aspect ratio, and hit generate. And within just a few seconds, yes, seconds, not minutes, it created a stunning, high-quality image for me. The details, the colors, the style, everything looked perfect. So I thought, all right, let's test it again. And guess what? I tried another prompt, and boom, again, it generated another beautiful image with the same character, same quality, and even better style. Every time I tested it, it delivered perfect, consistent results. Nothing looked messy or broken. Everything was just wow. And here's something even cooler. There's also an image editing option built right into the tool. All you have to do is upload your picture, write your prompt, and let the magic happen. For example, I uploaded an image and typed, "a cute monkey walking without a bicycle." Then I clicked generate, and oh my god, it worked like magic. It actually created a cute monkey walking without a bicycle, exactly as I described. I was honestly shocked. This tool understands prompts so accurately, it feels like it's reading your mind. Then I decided to try another feature, Nano Banana. This time, I uploaded the same monkey image, but I changed the prompt to "a cute monkey riding a motorcycle." I selected the output format, JPG or PNG, chose my image size, and clicked generate. And then, boom! The result literally blew my mind. The monkey was actually sitting on a motorcycle. I couldn't believe. My eyes, it's pure magic. How is this even possible? The quality, the detail, the realism, everything was just perfect. So yes, Seedream 4.0 and Nano Banana are not just tools. They're like AI magic machines that turn your imagination into real art within seconds. Alright guys, now it's time to move into the video section, and trust me, this part will completely blow your mind. The very first feature I tested here was the Sora feature. Yes, the one everyone is talking about right now. It's a brand new style, and honestly, I was super curious to see how it performs. I clicked on it immediately, because come on, who doesn't want to see what Sora style can do, right? So, I went straight into the text-to-video section. I pasted my prompt, selected Sora Pro style, turned the resolution all the way up to high quality, and finally clicked that magical generate button, and within seconds, I repeat, seconds, the video appeared on my screen. And I said to myself, wait, I'm not going to say anything yet, just watch it first. And then I couldn't help it. I shouted, "Bomb!" Why boom? Because guys, the result was out of this world. The video quality, the lighting, the sound, the movement, everything felt cinematic. It looked like something made in a professional studio, not by AI in a few seconds. That's how good it was. But you know me, I can't stop after one test. So I went ahead and tried the image to video section next. I uploaded a simple image, pasted a new prompt, and this time I chose Sora 2 Simple Mode, just to see if it could still maintain that same level of quality. And oh my god, the result was again unbelievable. The animation was smooth, the color tone was perfect, and the sound design was super clean. So again I said boom, boom, boom! Yes, over and over, because every time I clicked generate, it just got better and better. Then, I decided to test another advanced feature, VO 3.1. This one is seriously next level. I opened the text-to-video section again, pasted my prompt, set the duration, quality, and selected the model VO 3.1, fast mode. Then clicked generate. And the result? Oh man, I said no way. This can't be real, but it was. The AI turned my simple text into a cinematic quality video, with realistic lighting, natural camera movement, and stunning background details. I literally sat there in shock for a few seconds. And you know what's even crazier? The image to video option inside VO 3.1 is just as powerful. I uploaded the same image again, typed a new prompt, selected the output size and format, and once again the result was absolutely perfect. No glitches, no broken frames, no weird motion, just pure smooth animation. Everything looked so natural that you'd never believe it was AI generated. Seriously, this tool doesn't just make videos, it creates magic. And that's why I keep saying, don't worry about AI video creation anymore. With tools like these, you don't need to be an expert. You don't need expensive software or complicated editing skills. Just paste your prompt, click generate, and your masterpiece is ready in seconds. Whether it's Seedream 4.0, Nano Banana, Sora, or VO 3.1, each feature on this website is designed to make your creative life faster, simpler, and more exciting. And before you leave, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials, and most importantly, watch this video till the very end, because I promise there's still more epic stuff coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. This is your boy signing off. Stay creative, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.